parkway. And this is scary. And it says it's until midnight.
Our power's probably gonna go out.
Our power is out.
Oh.
Dati nandito na kami sa window. Oh, the post.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Post.
Ah. Oh my God. Yung may poste dito, Daddy, along Wintersville, it hit the truck already. That's why the power is out. How do you... This is scary.
Oh, pendong.
You still have the pendong, me.
Yes, I do. It's right there.
Should I go
And it's over
around?
there. Pendong. Over here.
I'll get 2 pendongs from you.
No. Aren't you scared of it? You're scared of it, aren't you? You don't want to do that.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding.
You're scared,
I am
Mama.
scared.
You don't want to. You're not going to do it.
Look, all
Look, all
the
the leaves are everywhere.
I know.
leaves are everywhere. I don't
is
know
it
where the road
flooding?
is.
Life is strange reference.
Yeah, it's like Life is Strange, Mom.
There's so many twigs on the road.
Mom, this is just a big Life is Strange reference.
You know, life is strange.
That
You
we
know
were
what I'm saying?
in Country Lake Drive now.
Wow.
So sa front lang ako. Hindi ko pa siya ipapasok sa loob. Ipasok ko na.
Man, we can't watch TV, bro.
No.
Daddy, weren't you going to do yard work?
He did yard work already.